So how are things going on?
Yeah, things are going good.
What do you
I'm
mean by
talking
going
with
good?
people now
Yeah.
and getting more confidence.
Okay. बिजनेस
हाँ
कॉन्फिडेंस से नहीं चलता है।
हाँ, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस इन द सेंस, पहले जो मेरा ये था, मैं लोगों से बात ही नहीं करता था, चैट भी नहीं करता था, बात भी नहीं करता था, वहां पे मुझे बहुत डर लगता था।
अच्छा।
दैट फियर ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड। तो मैं
गुड।
लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ, कमेंट कर रहा हूँ, लोगों से कनेक्ट हो रहा हूँ।
वेरी नाइस।
पहले से बहुत बेटर है।
गुड गुड। बट एक बात, एक सही फीडबैक दो।
हाँ
नो, द स्पीड इज सो स्लो कि जब आप उस तमक तक पहुंचते हो ना, दुनिया बदल चुकी होती है।
हाँ।
सो दैट इज अ कंसर्न विच आई वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू। चूंकि आप थे यहाँ पे, आई थॉट आई
हम्म।
जस्ट शेयर विथ यू। क्या होता
या
है ना, द डायनेमिक्स ऑफ बिजनेस इज टू फास्ट, टू फास्ट। एंड इफ यू आर नॉट एट पेस, इट विल नॉट गोना हेल्प यू, बिकॉज आप जो चीज सीखते हो, जब वो इम्प्लीमेंट करते हो तब तक वो निकल चुका होता है,
आई
टाइम इज
अंडरस्टैंड।
गॉन।
हाँ।
फिर क्या करेंगे? फिर जब आप नया चीज फिर सीखोगे, जब तक आप सीख के उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे, अगेन इट विल बी गॉन। सो यू हैव टू बी इन
यस।
सिंक विद द टाइम। Speed is important. Adaptability and faster adaptability is actually the key.
यस। ओके।
Welcome, welcome Anita ji, welcome Anupam, welcome Ankit, welcome Dhanvika ji. Good. So today we have a specific agenda. Welcome Ramya. The agenda is about a low ticket program. See, I have always been advocating about creating high ticket products, irresistible offers. But why I did start this, right? There are a lot of things behind the scene going on. So I wanted to share everything which can help you to understand where do and how do you position yourself as a coach where people come, trust and do everything, right? So that's the agenda. And again, I'd request every one of you, if you can open your camera, like Anita ji and Siddharth ji is already there. Dhanvika, Anupam ji, and Ramya. I know there would be reasons for you to not open
Sir,
the camera.
I'll open. Anyhow, before the checkout time starts in, I'll open and sit in the front of the camera.
Okay, fair, fair. That's okay.
I am not, sir. I am actually. তুমি যাও, তুমি গাড়ি বার করো, আসছি। I am moving, sir. I am actually on the way to some work, but
Okay.
I'll be there on
Fair,
camera.
fair.
I'll
Thank
be
you
in
so
the
much.
car. Yeah.
Fair, fair. Thank you so much. Okay, so we'll start immediately. Because see, what in my trainings, I'll tell you what I do. I don't copy paste anything from anywhere. Whatever I have done, that is what I do. That is what I teach. That is what I create a training out of. Right? Okay, Dhanvika, no problem. If you don't have a camera, that's okay. Fair. So let me just start with what I have today for you, and it's gonna be very interesting. Let me first close this screen and show you something better. Okay, where it is gone. Just a second. Okay.
Sir, am I visible?
Yes, Rama, I can see you.
I can't see other screens of our visibility in this mobile.
Oh, maybe mobile में ना you'll have to scroll different slides, तब आपको दिखता है अभी शायद.
ऐसा
But
नहीं
I
कुछ.
can see you. Yeah, fair. Okay. So welcome everyone. Welcome to this masterclass. And this masterclass is all about how I created, successfully launched, and validated a low ticket product. You must be seeing a lot of people talking about, creating different kind of products. And I want to tell you something very different. The different is, when I say that I'm going to talk about a low ticket product, that doesn't mean I always advocate. See, my point is people will only buy whether it is a low ticket or it is a high ticket when they trust you. So that factor remains the same. Fair. So when you are clear that my people are gonna buy from me based on the trust which has already been built, then only these things will work. But there are different levels. Even I told you in multiple times that you have to start, the reverse value ladder should be implied. Why? Because when people get transformed, they trust you better. And these low ticket products are uh, not creating that kind of a trust which you want. Correct? But as I said, there could be different level of products. This product is, the first touch offer, I call it. Maybe people are not trusting you much, but at a very small price, a throwaway price, people can start exploring and creating that kind of a trust. So that's an entry point. Fair. Now let's understand the steps involved. So my question to you is, first, the pre-research part, the purpose and the vision. Why do you want to create this product? Can anybody answer? Why do you want to create a low ticket product? Anyone?
But easy to, I mean, easy to start, and then it's like you don't need much of a homework. Like high ticket, you have to prepare yourself so much and then sit on the board. This you can start with your unit test जैसा है हमारे life में.
Exactly, very right, very right. It's like a unit test, very right. मतलब मैं बोलता हूँ इसको ना, yeah, get people in our ecosystem, right, Anupam, Anand, right. That is one. And second thing is what I wanted to add here. Ramya is right, even Anand is right. You know, जब लोग ज़्यादा सोचते हैं ना तो डिसीजन नहीं लेते हैं, to be very frank. So when you give something so easy for them to accept and go for it, people definitely try it. तो ये low ticket is a better version of a lead magnet. Lead magnet में क्या होता है? We offer something for free, correct? लोग लेते हैं, यूज करते नहीं करते नहीं पता. But when people are invested, whether it is like I'll be showing you what price I did start with. So when people do some kind of investment, they do try. I'm not saying 100% still people are doing it, but still they do try because something is invested, correct? So that's the point. So in spite of you sharing just a lead magnet, I'll recommend you to go for a low ticket product. That is where people start coming in your funnel and people start exploring what kind of a content and what kind of a support you are creating for them, right? That is the purpose, right? Now let me begin with what I had in my mind when I started. So there are different steps. So the steps which I mentioned here is, first of all, the pre-research, which is the purpose and the vision of you creating this product. Then the different steps which I implemented, I'm just gonna talk about it. The first step is research, second is ideation, third is product creation, fourth is delivery sequence, fifth is curiosity and hype, sixth is marketing organically first, the unseen vanilla, I'll talk about it. Seventh is launch, eighth is selling, ninth is extension, 10th is integration and delivery, 11th is feedback, 12th is marketing inorganically, 13th is relaunch with different variations, 14th is feedback and improvements, and 15th is marketing research for the next product. So all these things come under this category where you will be needing something or the other to be done so that your low ticket product gets created, successfully launched, and then it gets validated. Right. Now let me talk with my purpose. I told you the research part, pre-research, purpose and vision. What was my vision? See, I'm in this industry for the last almost 6 years, right? And I see a lot of people still stuck. So I wanted to help stuck coaches. That is one purpose. Second, my mission is to help 1 million coaches by 2030, right? I'm already at par with something around 25,000 coaches. I have already helped them. Now my mission is to help this many coaches. And I also wanted to help professionals create their second innings, because a lot of people who are IT professionals, different segments of businesses they are into, and they want to create a second innings, right, through coaching. So I'm also willing to help them as well so that they can create a successful coaching business, right? So this was my purpose. Yes, there is a hidden agenda of earning money, but this small ticket is not gonna make you millionaire overnight, right? This is, as said, Ramya also said this unit test kind of a thing. Anand said to bring people in our funnel. Yes, that is what it is like, the first touch approach where people will come and explore what kind of a thing you are doing, right? So that's my purpose. And let's go now stepwise with the process of doing this. So the first thing is research. How do you do research? And this is one of the major drawbacks which coaches do not do, correct? रिसर्च जब मैं कहता हूं तो लोगों को लगता है अपने मन में जो आ गया वही रिसर्च है. नहीं, you need to go and find on the internet, there are different tools, right? Use Google Trends, answer the public, Uber suggest, go to do some surveys, polls, and talk to people. Whatever way you want to do, get some research done. Research done on what? आप ये जो प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो क्यों बना रहे हो? ऐसा नहीं कि आपके मन में एक दिन सपना आया और आपने एक प्रोडक्ट बना दिया और आप शुरू हो गए. आई एम सो सॉरी, आई एम लिटिल सफरिंग फ्रॉम कोल्ड. एनीवे, सो मेरा पर्पस क्या है कि आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आप क्यों बना रहे हो और प्रोडक्ट क्यों किसके पास जाएगा. So the keeping in mind the purpose and the vision, as I told you, we have to research and come to some specific pain points, right? I'll be putting here specific pain points, not generic pain points. So a specific pain points to my customers I found was they didn't had any sequential guidance. They are, fearing heavy investment, and ease of implementation is not there. It's very, complex, and people are teaching a lot of other things. Everything is mixed and in a haphazard way. And there are people who don't have time, like there are people who are into job, उनको time नहीं मिलता उनके sessions join करने के, जिन coaches को join करते हैं, तो freedom of time is not there. And choice of learning pace, बहुत सारे लोग फास्ट लर्नर्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग स्लो लर्नर्स होते हैं. नाउ नॉट एवरीबडी इज रनिंग इन द सेम स्पीड, करेक्ट? तो आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट समथिंग. I researched it with many coaches, and I found that these are the things which they are looking for. यदि उनको मैं कोई सिक्वेंशियल गाइड बना के दे दूँ जहाँ पे ज़्यादा पैसा ना लगे, उनको रिस्क ना हो, इजीली इम्प्लीमेंट कर सके, अपने टाइम से और अपने फ्रीडम से उसको अपने पेस से काम कर सके, तो दिस वुड बी द राइट फिट. So this is what I did as a research, right? Based on the research, now I started ideating the product. तो मैंने क्या देखा, जितने भी लोग हैं जो इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं वो मल्टीपल ऑप्टिन्स कराते हैं. एटलीस्ट डबल ऑप्टिन तो होता ही है. ऑप्टिन, एवरीबडी नो व्हाट इज एन ऑप्टिन? यस, एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट इज एन ऑप्टिन, व्हाट इज अ डबल ऑप्टिन? पता है? यस, नो, एनीबडी?
Yes, I think I know. Sir. I think एक broadcast कि just 150 rupees more and get this also. ऐसा कुछ है ना?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऑप्टिन इज नॉट अबाउट मनी. ऑप्टिन इज अबाउट लाइक लेट्स से आप देखेंगे किसी का मेल पे आता है ना, यदि कोई लीड मैग्नेट भी आप करते हो या किसी भी टूल में आप जब लॉग इन करते हो, साइन अप करते हो, तो साइन अप करने के बाद फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे आस्क फॉर योर ईमेल, right? Once you put in your email, then it will say go and validate your email in your inbox, right? So that is called double opt-in. तो ये प्रोसेस थोड़ा सा क्लमजी हो जाता है, 2 स्टेप. तो मैंने कहा कि नहीं, 2 स्टेप में मुझे नहीं करना है. फिर सेकेंड ऑप्शन वाज पीपल आर क्रिएटिंग लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स. एलएमएस का पोर्टल देते हैं, उस पर एक साथ उनको 50 चीजें आ जाती हैं. मेरा भी एलएमएस है. पीपल हु आर इनटू माय पेड कम्युनिटी दे नो अबाउट इट. अलग अलग सेक्शंस होते हैं, अलग अलग उसमें मॉड्यूल्स होते हैं, बट दैट इज अगेन ऑल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. उसके बाद उनमें हर जगह कहीं ना कहीं टाइम लिमिट होता है, यार इतना कर लेना है इतने टाइम में, एंड सो ऑन सो फोर्थ. अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस शुड नॉट बी देयर, मतलब नॉर्मली इज नॉट देयर. And second and the last is affordable. It should be affordable to implement and use wherever you are. Maybe you can do it on your mobile, maybe you can read on your desktop, laptop, whatever. So keeping in mind, I ideated this product based on all these parameters. And I don't know whether there are a few people who have already used. Welcome Akansha ji, welcome Gyanendra ji, welcome. So I created this product, right? I'll just show you a glimpse of this. People who have already been using, they know what this product is. So I named it the Coaching X Library. So you see, this is a simple one-pager product which I created, right? In this one page, what you will be getting is this. It starts with ebooks, and I have 60 ebooks mentioned here, right? Then I have videos. So the list, okay. After that, I have some cheat sheets or checklists. There are 15 cheat sheets in here, or checklists you can say. Then I have videos. Videos again pertaining to different subjects, contents and chats. Then lead generation. Then sales. Then objection handling. Then I have also mentioned some 5 key concepts of successful coaching business, where acceptance, clarity, influence, persuasion, and implementation is there, right? And then I gave links to some free guides which is readily available on internet, but people don't know how to get it. These books are self-help books, you can say, so that you can start reading it and you can get it done. So now, as I said, this is the product which I created out of the ideation I did. Now, as I said, it's a one-click access. Now you can click any one of this. Let's see. For example, 15 mind blogging tips to sales. Let me just click it here. You'll be immediately redirecting to the particular guide. You don't have to opt in. You don't have to double opt in. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. It's easily accessed on your mobile. It's easily accessed on your desktop, laptop, whatever it. And there are very easy to grasp content. बहुत ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने भर भर के पूरा कंटेंट आपको लिख दिया है. पॉइंटर्स, pointers with some image, some infographics, some, you know, what do you say, things which you can visualize, kind of a thing, so that it becomes easier for you to immediately grasp it, immediately learn from it, and it's easy and you'll feel good. अरे यार, आज मैंने ये तो कंप्लीट कर लिया. यदि मैं पूरा भर के 20 पन्नों का एक किताब बना के दे दूं, तो आप कहेंगे कि अरे यार, आप तो फिर से एक बुक पढ़ना पड़ेगा. सो आई डोंट रीड अ बुक. सो द प्रॉब्लम इज इट शुड बी इजीली कंज्यूमेबल. सो आई क्रिएटेड दैट वे कि आपको कंटेंट बहुत ही फाइन मिलेगा, बहुत ही कॉन्क्रीट मिलेगा, एंड यू कैन इजीली एक्सेस इट. सो दिस वेर द थिंग्स. तो ये मैंने आपको एक ग्लिम्स दिखा दिया. नाउ लेट्स सी. As I said, this is one click e-guides. You have one click videos, one click checklists. There are one click ebooks, and I'll be maybe in some future I'll be adding one click Power Customs GPTs as well. So this is my vision. As of now, the first version I have completed. Maybe the second version will come, include this custom GPT. Right? So this is the glimpse. So I told you I had उसी का screenshot मैंने लेके डाला हुआ है. Ebooks, checklist, then videos and books. Now let's understand how you're gonna deliver it. जैसे मैंने लीड मैग्नेट में भी आपको कई बार बताया हुआ कि लीड मैग्नेट जब आप बनाते हो तो इट शुड बी इजिली कंज्यूमेबल. सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका डिलीवरी सीक्वेंस कैसा होगा. तो डिलीवरी सीक्वेंस शुड बी अ ब्रीफ of the product with a CTA, and it should be integrated with a payment gateway. Like in my case, I have integrated with a Razorpay link, right? जैसे आप पे करते हो, you are redirected to the content resource. That's it. आपको कहीं नहीं जाना. You just need to save it and keep it for your reference. That's it. Nothing doing. कहीं आपको लॉगिन नहीं करना, कहीं कुछ नहीं करना. तो it makes your life easier, right? तो ये जो पॉइंट्स हो गए, ये आपका एक तरह से समझिए कि प्री सेल्स का पार्ट हो गया, जिसमें आपने प्रोडक्ट को रिसर्च करा, आइडिएट करा, क्रिएट किया और उसको इंटीग्रेट किया. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द मार्केटिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट बनाने से सिर्फ नहीं होता है, उसको मार्केट भी करना होता है. अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू मार्केट इट, इट विल नॉट बी सोल्ड. फेयर? सो नाउ हाउ यू आर गोना market it. So to start marketing, you have to understand that curiosity and hype should be created first of all. कैसे curiosity and hype create करेंगे? Again, since this is a product which is created, we are not sure how good or bad it is. Obviously, even I know that my product is really good, but it's not because of what I say. It will come from my audience. The audience needs to tell me whether it is good or bad. Correct? So you have to do some organic marketing. Organic marketing, creating curiosity and hype, so that people start understanding that there is something coming new in the market and they go for it. So what you have to do is, you have to create curiosity and hype through social media posts, through social media stories, reels, some communities like WhatsApp group or different Facebook groups, and through Google My Business. This is what I did. So these are all, things where you don't have to pay any money, right? These are all part of organic marketing. So you started creating hype. So now this is what I did. I created a video, right, to create a hype, right? So you can see there is one community where I was the admin. I created a video, I posted here. Then I created a post like this. Hey coaches, I introduced the logo of this new product, which is the Coaching X library. And I created a post. The post is here. I just copy pasted the post. And I mentioned what are the, benefits which you're gonna get. Correct? One reason, one challenge, one solution, right? All at ₹1 each. Then I also told them initially it was only 57 e-guides and there were no checklists. But I started here. I started from here where it was 57 e-guides, 27 masterclass videos and 11 powerful books, right? And it covered everything like lead generations, DM conversations, sales confidence, objection handling, clarity, positioning, and implementation, right? Every time I told the same language. And I also created an urgency and scarcity, saying that after 100 people join this movement, the price will definitely increase to ₹5 per resource. And this is a fact. As of now, we have around 25, 26 people. Now I have reduced this number. I'm not gonna for 100 people. I'll be capping it to 30. After 30, the price is gonna be increased to ₹5 per resource. That means the entire library might be for ₹500, something like, or I'll be doing some other stuff. There are a lot of things going in my mind, right? So this way, I did some hype. Then, once the hype is created, I started marketing it organically. And when I see the you see, I have mentioned here something like the unseen vanilla. What do you mean by this unseen vanilla? This is a concept which I learned from Gary Vaynerchuk. You must be knowing him, right? So he talks about people who are spending money on ads without, you know, what do you say, without gathering data how good it is doing organically. So if you are willing to invest money, do this research first organically to get some data and confidence, then only you are gonna put money in the paid ads. Don't do this. So the unseen vanilla means not putting any money, not putting any money in the inorganic marketing without doing marketing organically first, right? So that's what is the message. So again, I did marketing organically through social media posts, stories, reels, WhatsApp group, communities. So these are different kinds of a post which I created, right? You can see, I've just taken a screenshot of all the posts and the graphics which I created, right? Then I did a launch, right? Again, the launch was through social media posts, stories, reels, WhatsApp groups, communities, and Google My Business. This is my launch post. I created a reel out of this, and I said your wait is over, and so on and so forth. I created different, launch post. Once the launch was done, I started selling it every day, again organically through social media posts, stories, reels, the same thing, the same platforms, because I didn't want to pay any money to the paid, platforms. Now see, there are different genres of graphics which I created. I created a comic kind of a, post. Then I created, in between there was Holi. Fortunately, unfortunately, there was Holi in between when I started marketing it. So I thought, why not I put the colors of Holi inside it. So I created a post which talked about, Holi special offer for coaches, right? Again, the other elements remained the same. At rupees 1 each, at rupees 1 each solution, each resource, same thing, right? Then again, I created, after the Holi was gone, I said, yes, Holi is over, but the opportunity is still open. And every time I was saying 18 done, two more to 20, like even last time you see 16 done, and these were all actual numbers. The number of people were slowly increasing, people were opting for it. So every time I used to mention this, that how many people have already gone for it. Initially, I had mentioned that first 20 people are going to get exclusive bonuses, right? So slowly and steadily, as and when the number grew, every day I used to create different posts saying now 16 done, then I said 18 done, and so on and so forth. Once it was done, then I moved to the extension part. Again, the extension was like I said, I'll be capping at 20, but I said, okay, now I'm gonna open it for 10 more people, right? So I said, offer to 10 more people. So by popular demand, extending our rupees 1 per SS offer to 10 more people, right? So current price is 1. Till the time I'm able to have 30 people, I'll be keeping the same price. The moment it is 30, it will be increased to rupees 5 per asset. So you see here it is also mentioned 20 spots taken, right? Open for 10 more people. Same thing in the this in the post as well. As I said, after we are 30, the price will be revised to rupees 5 per asset. So last 10 only. So every time some curiosity and some FOMO has been created in the post. Then again, this is a different post saying the same thing. If you have missed this opportunity, you won't get it again. The Coaching X library, again, last and final call for the last 8 seats. So now 20 was gone. So I mentioned that 20 people, sorry, 20 people have already opted for it. Then 22 happened. Then I said, okay, out of 30, now 22 has gone. Now only 8 seats are left, right? So I created this last and final call for the last 8 seats. So this way I did this, and I kept on marketing this particular product so that people are coming more and more, and I wanted to do the justice as well. So again, I checked out of that integration and delivery, because there are some people who came back and said, hey, I paid, but I didn't save the link. So I was about to do an automation, but I didn't do, because the numbers were not too just. I thought I'll be doing it manually. So I checked it, it was all done. The only thing was some people were not able to save that link, although the link was there on their screen, but they clicked it and then left it and they missed it. So I have to send it personally to them, right? So everything said and done. Then they started taking feedback. So I brought all the subscribers, whoever had done, into a WhatsApp group with their permission that, hey, since you have already subscribed for this, I'm putting it into a WhatsApp group, right? And then I said that I'm gonna give you some additional bonuses, and I started asking for the feedback, right? So now this is what I did. This is the screenshot of the WhatsApp group. I know there are some people who have already been here. So there are 25 members. 2 members have still not joined the WhatsApp group. I don't know for what reasons. I've sent them the request, right? And started communicating in the WhatsApp group saying, hey, 20 subscription completed within 3 to 4 days. And before doing this, I want a feedback on these parameters. So I created some parameters, right? So that I get a concrete feedback. So it's not about what, the fact is, the first product is never the best product. You have to keep on improving it, whether it is me, you, or anybody in this world. चाहे वो एरोप्लेन हो, चाहे वो कार हो, चाहे कोई भी चीज हो, पहला मॉडल कभी बहुत अच्छा नहीं होता है, उसमें इंप्रूवमेंट होनी ही चाहिए. So I wanted to have a critical feedback. So I requested for feedback, and I got some feedbacks. Somebody like Siddharth ji gave a feedback. Then I got a feedback from Mr. Rahul. And then also I said that, okay, now I have updated the library with some additional bonuses. I'm not asking for money, but I'm updating yourself. I'm giving something even as a bonus, and so on and so forth. Right? So till here it was all organic. Now the next part was, I knew that this product is being accepted in the market. People are liking it. People are exploring it. People are learning from it. Right? Then the next phase comes when it has to be marketed inorganically to the masses. Now, since I have known that this product is doing good, I can sell it through Meta ads or YouTube ads or Google ads by checking the profitability and return over ad spend, right? And cost per acquisition versus profits. I have to keep all these things in mind when I start marketing or inorganically. I have not done it yet, but I am about to do that. Then is the second step, which is, now I'm gonna create multiple variations of the same product, because I'll be telling you upfront. I did a poll also. How many of you have actually consumed, to what extent? So I got some 2 people saying less than 40% and some 2 people saying 40 to 60%. Now something clicked in my mind. Understand the fact. I gave you 60 guides. I gave you 27 videos. I gave you so many things. I know it's not easy to consume everything, right? And there are different subjects together. So now things started clicking in my mind that something is wrong. What is wrong? It's not about that I don't want to give, but it's about how you're gonna consume it. So now me and my team was discussing over it, that how to make it even better so that whatever people are getting, they're consuming it. So now as I said, the variations. Now I'm gonna this is in my mind, and we were talking as a team that what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create multiple variations. Like I'll create, like, assume that you are in a library, right? In a library there are different sections. Maybe one is for literature, one is for science, one is for technology, one is for some other things. Now since I have named it as a library, now I also need to have different sections of this library, correct? Now I have given you the access to the library and you are lost. किस सेक्शन में जाके क्या ढूंढना है, क्या पढ़ना है, क्या करना नहीं पता. So अब मैं इस लाइब्रेरी को अलग अलग सेक्शंस में बांट रहा हूँ. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create a content library where only the assets would be related to the content. यदि किसी को कंटेंट स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, कंटेंट के बारे में ज्यादा जानना है, they'll be referring to the content library. People who are looking forward to generate leads, उनके लिए एक लीड लाइब्रेरी बनाऊंगा. People who are weak at sales and they want to upskill themselves in sales, उनके लिए एक सेल्स लाइब्रेरी रहेगी. And people who want to learn objection handling, उनके लिए ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडलिंग का एक अलग सेक्शन होगा. इस तरह से करके मे बी 3, 4, 5 आई बी क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस. उसमें कंटेंट एसेट्स कम हो जाएंगे ताकि यू आर ओनली फोकस्ड ऑन दैट पार्ट ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी एंड यू कंज्यूम इट एंड डू इट. That's my next level of creating the variations in this product, and I want your feedback on the same, because this is what is going in my mind. Because एक बार सारा मैंने दे तो दिया, but you people are not able to consume. फिर वो चला जाता है ठंडे बस्ते में, अच्छा कभी कर लेंगे. That's not the point. And once you give me the feedback, definitely my part is to improve the product on this. And then just coming back to you, Akansha, the last point is marketing research for the next product. Once this product is done, right, now I'll be definitely asking from you, like, what next you want. अगला मैं क्या बनाऊं आपके लिए ताकि आपकी जिंदगी और आसान हो जाए, बिकॉज द अल्टीमेट गोल इज टू हेल्प पीपल. Yes, I believe in giving back to the society. I believe in contributing to the fraternity. So I'm very much sure that whatever I'm gonna do, मैं बताऊँ 98 रुपीज से मैं करोड़पति होने वाला नहीं हूँ, ये आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है. बट वाई एम आई एम पुटिंग सो मच ऑफ एफर्ट इन दिस? बिकॉज द अल्टीमेट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू हेल्प पीपल. जो मैंने आपको बताया था प्री रिसर्च में कि मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव सिंपल है. आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प स्टक कोचेस. My mission is to help 1 million coaches by 2030, and I want to help professionals also creating their second innings. So keeping all this in mind, this is what I have done. And if you want to make your mark in this coaching industry by creating this kind of a small product, launch it and validate it to improve on it, and then create another product, you should be going through this. That's all from me in this training. I'm open to any questions now. Yes, Akansha ji was asking something. What is it? Yes, Akansha ji.
Hi, Alok ji.
Hi.
I would request whenever you get time, I just want to run through everything once again. You can just keep it there. That is one request. Another thing, when you were talking about the content is all there and it feels lost. So I am one of those categories who would require categorization. So I could really relate to it. One of the reasons I couldn't start was because of a little bit of overwhelm when I saw this. Although it seemed great value for money, honestly, the content. So I saw the topics. What I was also thinking is, again, for someone like me, if there was, like you did a checklist, if there was a checklist or a sequence of how to consume the assorted videos as well,
Correct.
like, because some videos go really in depth while some are for someone who's just started. So, if there are 2-3 checklists that if you're just starting, just follow these videos, tak, 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 if you're at this level, alongside that would work for something like me. I mean, it's, it better, just
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
from my point of view that
Sure.
that is how it functions well for me, like an index or a something,
Yeah, yeah. Totally, totally.
Yeah,
I
so
have already noted it, and I definitely am thankful to your feedback. बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि लोग खो जाते हैं, कहाँ से शुरू करना है पता नहीं चलता. I really get it. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
thank you.
Index.
Yeah. And thank you. It's an amazing product. I told you why I haven't started it yet, but I have quite applied quite a few things that you've already thought, and they are amazing. So I'm really looking forward to apply this as well. Just
करेक्ट. थैंक यू सो
wanted.
मच. एक्चुअली क्या था मेरे मन में था ना कि यार इतना सारा चीज मैं कर रहा हूँ, लेट मी पुट इट इन द फॉर्म एंड लेट मी गिव यू. और मैंने उसमें ये कहा था कि डोंट हैव टू आप एक चीज ढूंढिए. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इन साइड कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री यदि आपको मार्केटिंग और सेल्स सीखना है तो देयर वुड बी फ्यू टॉपिक्स विच यू वांटेड टू लर्न. लेट्स से तो आप उसमें सर्च मारो ना सेल्स से रिलेटेड, आप सेल्स कुछ ना कुछ आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. तो मेरा ये था कि इंस्पाइट ऑफ मी गिविंग अ सिक्वेंशियली, मेरे पहले का थॉट था कि मैं बोलूं कि आप ये पढ़ो ये पढ़ो. हो सकता है कि सम पीपल माइट थिंक कि लेट्स से आई एम ऑलरेडी एट पार विथ, मेरे को पता है कंटेंट क्या है, मुझे को पता है कि ये करना है, मुझे सेल्स सीखना है. सो आई इमीडिएटली जंप ऑन टू द सेल्स वाला मॉड्यूल, सेल्स वाला वीडियो एंड आई स्टार्ट कंज्यूमिंग इट. ये मेरे दिमाग में था. बट आपने जो बात कही वो भी बिल्कुल ठीक है कि देर आर पीपल हु आर येट टू स्टार्ट और मे बी एट अ बिगिनर लेवल, उनको पता ही नहीं कि शुरू कहाँ से करना है. फॉर देम इंडेक्स इज द राइट वे. कि या इसको मेरे दिमाग में इमीडिएटली आया कि आई कैन कैटेगराइज इट लाइक for beginners they should go with this, for intermediate people they should go with this, for people who are already making money they want to scale they should be focused on this. So इस तरह का categorization मैं definitely करूँगा, and that's a really good feedback. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
And Alokji, whenever you get time, I would just love to. I missed the first 10 minutes, so I would just love to scan through
ठीक है,
quick.
अब एक बार मैं क्वेश्चन ले लेता हूँ, again I'll go
Also, no
through.
problem.
Yeah. Yes. Anybody has a question? Anita ji, Siddharth ji, Gyanendra ji, Anand ji, Rahul ji, good to see you. How are you doing? Ramya.
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for the commendable work that you're doing. When I saw the library, I immediately wanted to, be a part of it and have some access to it. So I did it. I'm really enjoying it. I have gone through certain modules. I really loved it. I tried to, work around it as I gave you an example request that we should have an example
Yeah.
that would easen up the things for us.
Yes,
The
yes, yes,
content
yes.
is okay, your logics are okay, the way that you are explaining is okay,
Yeah.
but with examples, it is easier to consume.
True, very true.
So
Okay.
that is one request that you have already acknowledged to.
Yes.
One more request that I need to understand is that, like, you added certain more content
Mm-hmm.
and you keep on adding the value to the, this coaching library.
Yeah.
So what are those contents that you are adding? I'm not able to figure out immediately as of now,
Okay.
but I need to. So is there any way that we can figure out what are the other contents that you have recently added, which we
Okay.
can look at it and go
See,
through that?
yeah, whenever I'm adding some content, I give inside the WhatsApp group I mentioned, like, hey coaches, I have upgraded this Coaching X library with, let's say, 2 more guides, or, recently what I did
Mhm,
was,
mhm,
initially the checklist or cheat sheets were not there. So I
mhm,
thought, why not to create some checklist? So I
mhm,
created 15 checklists, which is already there now in the part of the library,
mhm.
right? So that way, so any updation which is there, I'm updating inside the group. That is one way to, look at it.
So have you, means created a subsection of it, or like
No, no,
is
no.
it
I'm just adding there, like, in the
uh-huh.
guide section, if I'm adding 2 more guides or 3 more guides,
Okay,
it will be reflecting there in the guide. If I'm
okay.
adding, maybe another video, it will be
Mhm.
particularly into that particular section of a video. So you can again check it.
Okay,
Yeah.
definitely I'll look into it. Thank you so
See,
much.
the purpose is I can do it, but again, it
Mhm.
will take me to another multiple options and other
Absolutely.
clicks. So I
I do
don't want
agree.
to, take people into multiple clicks. I just want you to go click and just consume. Yeah.
Absolutely. I got it. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Welcome. Thank you so much, Rahulji. Yes,
Yep.
Ramya. Go ahead.
The right question you have asked, after your hard work of doing so many things, why people are not just getting it or opening it or at least not going through that one.
Mhm.
I'll tell you what exactly happens from other side of the coin. It
Yeah.
is like not, I don't call everybody in the same loop, but there are people like me or people like us
Yeah.
who love to, we keep watching somebody who's riding the cycle for the first time in a very nice way, doing
Yeah.
all the stunts, and we dream that मैं काश मैं भी ऐसे cycle कब चला सकती हूँ.
Correct.
And when the right time comes in, you need somebody to hold on your back, then to
Correct.
just to say that I'm with you. That your boot camps are always the great thing. That's the
Yeah.
reason we love your boot camps, which you do it for the 3 days.
Yeah.
And after that again, it's like Papa pakad rahe nahi, so I can't drive. So that is a just a feeling for some time, unless until one attempt we do by ourselves, that gives us a strength to carry on.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is I mean, that is what an unseen curtain in our own head, and that kills our confidence whenever to get into the loop. "Oh, ये बड़ा हो जाएगा जैसा ही है." These are the facts and reasons, and rest all are the social, like होली आ गया, उसके बाद एक और त्योहार आ गया, and loaded with things. These are like genuine social reasons, but a genuine psychological reason is that काश मेरा साइकिल कोई और पकड़ा तो I may not fall.
Correct.
That's
Correct.
it.
So I'm always there. मैंने कभी नहीं बोला कि if you come to me, I'll definitely hold your bicycle. I'll make you run. I'll make you speed up at 60 kilometers per hour even. तो थोड़ा सा
That's the
उसके
only
लिए
trust like.
करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा करेज लेना पड़ता है, because everything
Huh.
comes with
That you made us to break the ice. You made us sit in the boot camp. You allowed us to do then and there. That's how we didn't even have the second thought that ये होगा कि नहीं होगा. That's why I love your boot camps. तो एक बार नहीं, 2 बार, आप 10 बार भी बनो, हम बैठ के करेंगे वहीं पे, so that it is done and dusted and also proven.
Correct, correct. Even on the same note, even I was thinking, like, you people have paid me 98 rupees, right? I wanted to conduct a session. This is, मैं एक्चुअली बना रहा था, मैंने कहा यार मैंने इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बना लिया, व्हाई डोंट आई क्रिएट अ ट्रेनिंग आउट ऑफ द सेम, एंड दैट इमीडिएटली केम आउट ऑफ माई माइंड एंड आई स्टार्टेड डॉक्यूमेंटिंग द जर्नी. और आप देखोगे सारा स्क्रीनशॉट वगैरह उसी का है, मैंने क्या टेक्स्ट बनाया, क्या पोस्ट बनाया, आई जस्ट क्रिएटेड अ डॉक्यूमेंट. So I also wanted to come on a call, maybe if you do have a, maybe once a month or something, kind of a thing, कि आप आओ अपने questions लेकर के आओ, like this training is about a particular topic, but that would be a entirely Q&A session, कि आपने इसमें कोई particular topic से कोई question है, you come with that question, since you have already consumed, उसमें कोई doubt है तो I can help you resolve the doubt as well. तो ये भी मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था. So see, I'm a giver. I believe in giving. जितना मैं दूंगा ऊपर वाला मेरे को उतना देता है, ये मैं हमेशा से देखता आया हूँ. So I believe in doing this, and I want all of you to come up and ask me questions. The group is open, right? Group में आप question पूछो, you'll be getting answers. तो there is no stopping, there is no holding. Maybe अभी मैं आपका साइकिल डायरेक्टली नहीं पकड़ा हूँ, but I'm still there. I'm running besides you. I'm there. So feel
The
that way and keep doing.
the hope is there that I can travel to the core wherever I wanted to reach. I believe that you are next to me.
Yes.
And that's the reason I'm sitting in the session, even though I'm in a proper trade, what we call this holiday, ये क्या spiritual holiday पे हूँ, फिर भी I'm sitting in the hotel room and I'm ensuring that I'll not miss the session.
Sure. Thank you so much, Ramya. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else has a question? Ganen ji, Anupam ji, Dhanush ji, Siddharth ji.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ganen ji, बताइए.
Sir, the document which you are sharing, can we get that? Because I think it would be an ideal safe if we want to do something. Actually, I am a working professional, so want to launch something on my own. But I think that use case which you are given, or maybe you can have a boot camp. So how you create this low ticket product, something that we can also create, and I think that would be helpful. So someone can directly can't launch a high ticket thing. So I think
आपकी आवाज
starting.
slow हो गई, Ganen ji.
Hello.
Yeah, your voice has gone low.
Okay. Is it better now or?
Now it's better. Yeah.
Okay. So I was saying ki like the case study that you presented, na, ki how you launch your this thing and the different marketing channel that you have used. Maybe I think we can have a boot camp also, so that we can also do something like what you have done in
Sure.
our niche,
Yeah.
only.
Definitely, yes. So what do you want from me?
So something like I'm a working professional, so maybe say if I select a niche because uh, if you directly launch a high ticket, I think because of the trust issue, someone don't buy it. And in the market, actually, there are people who are launching this low ticket product to first get kind of this thing credibility and this thing, so that वो launch हो जाए, तो then we can do the other things as well. So what I want is what you done today is a mini kind of a case study, what you have done and how things have worked out for you.
Correct.
So it is kind of a successful thing only because I think many people have bought you. You have the numbers also like कि कितने लोगों ने खरीदा क्या है.
Correct.
So likewise we can also try something कि ऐसा low ticket for our case, something like that.
Understood. See, again, Gyananji, I'll tell you, I never advocate low ticket because लो टिकट
अच्छा.
तभी लोग खरीदते हैं ना जब आप पे थोड़ा भरोसा करते हैं. मैं आपको हमेशा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. यदि कोई अनजान आदमी आपके घर में मिठाई का डब्बा लेके आए, आप उससे मिठाई लोगे?
नहीं.
लोगे. So people will not pay even a single rupee unless and until they know and trust you. So the formula is build a high ticket product. मेरा जो फॉर्मूला है, आई ऑलवेज गो द रिवर्स लैडर वे, राइट. मैं कहता हूँ पहले एक हाई टिकट प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट कीजिए, रिजल्ट क्रिएट कीजिए, चाहे एक लोग मिले, दो लोग मिले. वहां से आप जब टेस्टिमोनियल्स क्रिएट करते हैं ना, देन यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग ट्रस्ट and share that as a marketing material inside the social media so that people are aware that you have already produced results. वहां से ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होना शुरू होता है. उसके बाद लोग आते हैं फिर देखने के लिए, अच्छा अब इस बंदे ने इतना ट्रस्ट किया है तो क्या इसका मैं 100 रुपये लगा सकता हूँ, right? Then they'll do it. And the second alternative to is the second approach I would say is like we talk about sharing lead magnets. Lead magnets are free, correct? फ्री में आप शेयर करते हो. तो मैं कहता हूँ कि लीड मैग्नेट करने की बजाय यदि आप लो टिकट करोगे ना, अगेन इट्स अबाउट ब्रिंगिंग पीपल इनसाइड योर फनल, करेक्ट. Let people feel what you have done and at a no-brainer price, almost for free. Like इतना कंटेंट यदि मैंने बनाया है, यदि आप किसी बंदे को हायर करके इतना गाइड भी बनाने बोलोगे ना, he'll charge 20,000 30,000 rupees.
Definitely.
Correct. But since I have a team, we are doing it regularly. So मेरे लिए it was not a problem. I have a team. I'm doing everything with them. So मैंने कहा कि यार जब हमने इतना सारा चीज करा है तो why don't we create a product out of it, right? और उसको फिर हमने थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में इंटीग्रेट करा, उसको पैकेज करा. और अभी भी एज आई सेड कंचर जी गेव अ वेरी गुड फीडबैक, राहुल जी गेव अ फीडबैक हाउ टू इम्प्रूव ऑन इट. सो ये चीज़ें रहेंगी. सो व्हाट आई सजेस्ट यू इज डू create a high ticket product as well as a low ticket entry point product which I call a first touch offer. और लोगों से आप ये ट्राई कीजिए, इट विल डेफिनेटली स्टार्ट वर्किंग. बट रिमेंबर इट विल वर्क ओनली व्हेन यू हैव सर्टेन टेस्टिमोनियल्स और समथिंग. एक दूसरा अप्रोच भी होता है, लोग कहते हैं चल यार 100 रुपया है, इवन दे डोंट ट्रस्ट यू, कहते हैं 100 रुपया है ना, कोई बात नहीं, चल दो चार लोग तो ट्राई मार ही लेंगे.
वही जैसे मैंने भी कुछ लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट्स लिए, जैसे कुछ लोग अपना फनल का कुछ बेचते रहते हैं कि मेरा ये फनल ले लो, रेडी टू मेक फनल, यू लैंडिंग पेज सब कुछ है, इसमें सब कुछ है. बट वो है कि हाँ उसके बाद से कुछ कुछ होता नहीं आगे, लाइक बिकॉज दे आर अननोन पीपल, सो वंस यू बाय बट देन यू डोंट अपग्रेड. हाँ
एग्जैक्टली. अब उसमें भी दो चीजें हैं. वंस इसके पीछे रीजन क्या मैं बताता हूँ. आई टोल्ड यू टू डू द प्री रिसर्च एंड द मिशन. उनका मिशन सिर्फ होता है पैसा बनाना। रिमेंबर, उनको है कि कोई
Okay.
खरीद ले यार। नाउ दे गो ऑन अ वॉल्यूम बेस्ड कि यार मेरा 99 रुपीज का है, यदि 1,000 लोग खरीद लेंगे तो 1,000 इंटू 100 1 लाख रुपया हो जाएगा। करेक्ट? So they have that thing in mind. I have a different approach. I'm not selling this low ticket product to make money. I'm telling you, that's my inner feeling, which I'm sharing upfront. करेक्ट? नहीं तो मैं ऐसे कितने प्रोडक्ट बना चुका होता है, और मैं जब चाहूँ, मैं चाहूँ तो 2 दिन में एक अच्छा प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ। आई नो आई एम कैपेबल, माई टीम इज कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग इट। बट मेरा डिफरेंट है। जैसे आपने बोला ना कि दे नेवर कम बैक टू यू आस्किंग कि भाई क्या हुआ, राइट? आपने कितने लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट
Right,
लिए?
right.
व्हाट आई डिड, even after taking 98 rupees from you, I'm spending so much of a time. Why am I doing it? That's the difference. तो ये दोनों मतलब अप्रोच से भी होता है। लोग आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं बिकॉज दे सी यू डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट। इट्स नॉट ओनली टू मेक मनी, इट्स मेकिंग respect, it's earning respect, is literally contributing to the people, impacting them, transforming them. So
Okay, okay.
that's the point where I come from. ठीक है? So
Nice
and
of you.
thanks for your suggestion. Definitely I look forward to your feedback as well. आपने भी खरीदा है ना 98 वाला? मुझे नहीं पता whether you have bought it or not.
नहीं सर, मैंने नहीं लिया है एक्चुअली। वही बिकॉज इतना सारा था, आई गॉट ओवरवेल्म कि मेरे से हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा। So,
Okay, if you want, you can try. I'll segregate it.
अच्छा,
I'll tell you like Khancha ji said, मैंने एक इंडेक्स बना के उसमें पहले सेक्शन में ही डाल दूंगा ताकि you are not lost, right?
ओके ओके।
And I'll ask my teammate Ankit to share the link with you. आप ले लेना, 98 rupees is nothing.
श्योर श्योर।
It's all
ओके।
about coming and interacting with me, like what we are doing today. Maybe in future also we'll be interacting. So मैंने देखा नहीं, see when I started I assumed कि कोई इस तरह का मेरे को कोई प्लेटफॉर्म दे दे जहाँ पे मैं जाऊँ, because people were charging thousands and lakhs. Still people are
ट्रू
charging
ट्रू।
thousands and lakhs. But that inner feeling of helping and contributing comes from when it is generated inside you. तो वो मैं फील करता हूँ and I want to do that. बस that's the motive. Okay. Okay.
ओके,
Anybody
थैंक यू
else
सर।
has a question? नहीं तो एक बार रैप अप करूंगा, कंचा जी का थोड़ा मिस हो गया था। धनुष, you have any question? सिद्धार्थ जी ने, yes, Akanksha ji, tell me.
So right now, you mentioned Alok जी कि लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट के भी अलग अलग इंटेंशंस होते हैं बेसिकली।
Yes.
तो आप ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग और वैल्यू एडिशन के लिए ये कर रहे हो, इसलिए आपने क्या बोलते हैं कम्युनिटी पहले लॉन्च किया रादर देन आउटसाइड। तो एक तो हो गया ट्रस्ट, दूसरा हो गया कंट्रीब्यूशन जो भी जिसकी आपने बात की,
Correct.
तीसरा हो गया मनी जो भी आपने बात की कि लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट तो लोग ले ही लेंगे तो वॉल्यूम में ये करें। तो उस हिसाब से भी स्ट्रेटजी चेंज होगा, राइट?
यस, बिल्कुल चेंज होगा। व्हाट्स योर गोल? आपका गोल क्या है? देखिए, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, इफ यू सी द यूएस मार्केट में आप देखेंगे ना, पीपल हैव क्रिएटेड मिलियंस एंड बिलियंस बाय सेलिंग लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट। $17, $19, $27 ऐसे करके आपने देखा होगा, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत बेचा है, राइट? बट उसमें इम्पैक्ट नहीं है,
राइट।
करेक्ट? उसमें कनेक्शन नहीं है, इट इज ओनली टू मेक मनी। तो अगेन आई जस्ट सेड कि आपका पर्पस क्या है, यू वांट टू मेक मनी, और उसमें फिर आपको यदि ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचना है, आपको इनऑर्गेनिकली भी करना होगा। यू विल हैव टू गो थ्रू द एंटायर इनऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग, कि ज़्यादा लोगों तक ऑर्गेनिकली आप नहीं पहुंच सकते,
राइट।
है ना? तो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट योर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी वर्सेस योर रिटर्न ऑन एड स्पेंड, आरओएस जिसको बोलते हैं, है ना? कि इतना पैसा हम लगा रहे हैं, लेट्स से एक एक्विजिशन के लिए आपके 100 रुपये लगते हैं और आपका प्रोडक्ट प्राइस ही 100 रुपये है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो यू आर नॉट मेकिंग मनी। बट लेट्स से आपका प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस, जैसे मैंने बोला $17, उनमें क्या होता है ना, उनका एड स्पेंड लेट्स से $1, $2, $5 होता है per client acquisition, right? And if they're selling a product of $27, so they're making around $20 per sale. So इस तरह से उनका बिजनेस ग्रो करता है। लेकिन इंडिया में यदि आपने 100 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया, और अभी मेटा का जो हाल है, मेरे ख्याल से आपको एक 100 रुपीज के क्लाइंट के लिए 1000 रुपीज खर्च करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? सो दैट डजेंट मेक एनी सेंस, बिजनेस सेंस, आई टेल यू। तो वो सारी चीजें भी बिजनेस के पर्सपेक्टिव से आपको समझना होगा कि पैसा लगा रहे हैं तो पैसा बन रहा है नहीं बन रहा है, यदि पैसा बनाना आपका पर्पस है, करेक्ट? सो यू विल हैव टू डेफिनेटली चेंज योर स्ट्रैटेजीज बेस्ड ऑन योर पर्पस एंड द मैथ्स। मैथ्स बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए, बिजनेस में मैथ्स बहुत जरूरी है, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल मिस ऑन दैट मैथ्स। सब कुछ ठीक है, इंटेंट इज गुड, नॉलेज इज गुड, बट इफ द मैथ्स इज वीक, यू आर नॉट गोना मेक मनी, राइट? तो ये भी है।
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, so should I do a recap of what like every?
Yes, please.
Yes. चलिए मैं एक बार फिर से रिकैप कर देता हूँ। ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ से शुरू किया था, हाउ आई क्रिएटेड, सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च एंड वैलिडेटेड अ लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट. सो यहाँ पे मैंने बोला था प्री रिसर्च, विच इज द पर्पस एंड द विजन, राइट. क्यों आप ये लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, दैट वाज द मेन पर्पस. और इसमें मैंने 15 स्टेप्स आउट ऑफ माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस एंड द थिंग्स विच आई डिड, उसी के अंदर मैंने ये 15 स्टेप्स निकाले. देख के 15 लगते हैं, एक्चुअली दिस आर वेरी सिंपल, which were research, ideation, product creation, delivery sequence, curiosity and hype, marketing organically first, launch, selling extension, integration and delivery, feedback, marketing inorganically, relaunch with the different variations, feedback and improvements, and marketing research for the next product. मैंने अपना पर्पस जो किया था, एज आई टेल यू, वांटेड टू हेल्प स्टक कोचेस, मिशन टू हेल्प 1 मिलियन कोचेस बाय 2030, एंड वांटेड टू हेल्प प्रोफेशनल क्रिएट देयर सेकंड इनिंग्स. ये मेरे विजन से, मेरे पर्पस है. और स्टेप बाय स्टेप जो मैंने बोला, जिसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या था, मैंने कहा रिसर्च. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, रिसर्च का मतलब उनके मन में जो आता है दैट बिकम्स द रिसर्च. एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट द फैक्ट. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है, लोग सोचना नहीं चाहते हैं. लोगों को लगता है यार मुझे तो इतना आता है, सब कुछ तो ठीक है, मार्केट में नीड है, डिमांड है, बट दे डोंट हैव एनी डेटा टू बैक इट अप. मैं कहता हूँ जो रिसर्च कीजिए उसके पीछे आपका बस डेटा होना चाहिए. से दैट यू नो आई हैव 100 पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, और गो टू सम रिसर्च टूल्स लाइक दिस आई मेंशन्ड, गूगल ट्रेंड्स, आंसर द पब्लिक, उबर सजेस्ट, डू सम सर्वेज, पोल्स, और इवन टॉक टू पीपल इन योर कम्युनिटी, मे बी इन योर ऑडियंस. कहीं पे यदि आपकी कोई कम्युनिटी है, वहां पे जाके आप उनसे बात कीजिए, and then find out the specific pain points. I'm talking about specific pain points, not the generic one. आप जब तक specific pain points नहीं समझेंगे ना, आपका प्रोडक्ट किसके अराउंड क्रिएट होगा आपको नहीं पता. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड दिस, मुझे सिंपल लगा कि यार लोगों के पास सिक्वेंशियल गाइडेंस नहीं है. जो गाइडेंस देने को बैठा है वो लाखों लाख रुपये मांग रहा है. करेक्ट. इवन आई हैव माई हाई टिकट प्रोग्राम्स, राइट. वहाँ पे हेवी इन्वेस्टमेंट में लोग डरते हैं, उनको लगता है यार पता नहीं, इतनी जगह हाथ जला चुके हैं, फिर एक जगह और पैसा लगाएंगे, क्या होगा नहीं होगा. दे आर वेरी स्केप्टिकल, दे आर लिटरली फियरिंग टू इन्वेस्ट मनी. देन कम्स द ईज ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, जो मैंने बोला कि यदि आप उनके सिस्टम में चले भी जाओ तो देर आर मल्टीपल लर्निंग वीडियोज, लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स, वहाँ पे जाके इंसान खो जाता है कि भाई कहाँ से क्या करें. एंड सेम थिंग व्हेन आई फेल्ट कि मैंने जब इतना सारा बना दिया, मुझे भी ऐसा लगा कि यार मेरे को इसको थोड़ा सा सेग्रीगेट करना चाहिए. तो स्पेसिफिक पेन पॉइंट्स, फ्रीडम ऑफ टाइम. अब कुछ कोचेस का टाइम ऐसा है, मान लो जो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल है उनके लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिलता कि भाई कब जाके इनके कोचेस का सेशंस ज्वाइन करें. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, मेरे पास भी कुछ ऐसे क्लाइंट्स हैं जिन जो वर्किंग है, उनको टाइम नहीं मिल पाता बिकॉज ऑफ सम टाइम इश्यूज. एंड चॉइस ऑफ लर्निंग एट देयर पेस. बहुत सारे लोग, जैसे मैं बोला, फास्ट लर्नर्स हैं, बहुत सारे लोग स्लो लर्नर्स हैं. तो उनको अपना ये अनलिमिटेड जो मैंने बनाया, अनलिमिटेड टाइम एक्सेस, अनलिमिटेड लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस, उसका पर्पस यही था कि ये नहीं कि जिंदगी भर लगा दो आप सीखने में, बट डू इट एट योर पेस, बी कंफर्टेबल, देर इज नो रश, देर इज नथिंग. आप अपने पेस से करिए, जल्दी कीजिए, जितना जल्दी करेंगे उतना अच्छा होगा. देन केम द आइडिएशन पार्ट, वेर आई टॉक्ड अबाउट कि मेरे को कोई ऑप्टिन नहीं चाहिए. मैंने देखा कि मैं क्या क्या अवॉइड कर सकता हूँ. मैंने कहा नहीं, मेरे को ऑप्टिन नहीं करना. मैं चाहूँ तो एक एलएमएस पे सारी चीजें डाल सकता हूँ, आपको एलएमएस का एक्सेस देता हूँ, आप लॉग इन करो, कर लो, वेरी सिंपल. इवन पैसे भी नहीं लगेंगे, ऐसे फ्री टूल्स भी अवेलेबल है. मैंने कहा नहीं, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो मैंने ऑप्टिन हटा दिया, एलएमएस हटा दिया, टाइम लिमिट हटा दिया, अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस कर दिया, एंड इसको इतना अफोर्डेबल बना दिया ताकि आपको लगे यार यार 98 तो है, इतना तो मेरा बच्चा ऐसे भी चॉकलेट खा जाता है उतने का, काइंड ऑफ. राइट. देन आई क्रिएटेड द प्रोडक्ट वेयर द एवरीथिंग वाज with the mission, like I wanted to create one click e-guides, one click videos, one click checklist, e-books and one click AirPod. अभी शायद इसको मैं नेक्स्ट वर्जन में डालूंगा, राइट. और ये उसके स्नैपशॉट्स हैं, मतलब स्निपेट्स हैं जो मैंने किया. उसके बाद मैंने डिलीवरी सीक्वेंस बताया था कि यू हैव टू हैव अ ब्रीफ विद अ CTA एंड अ रेजर पे लिंक, सो दैट इट रीडायरेक्ट टू यू. आपको मैनुअल, या तो फिर आप उसको ऑटोमेट भी कर सकते हो, आप उसमें एक इंटीग्रेशन लगा सकते हो, एक वेबहुक लगा सकते हो, या पैब्लिक से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, so that it redirects and you are sent an email. That is also possible. कोई बड़ा चीज नहीं है. मैंने वो नहीं किया, मैंने उनको बस सिंपल स्क्रीन पे दे दिया. मैं इवन आई डिडंट वांट somebody to go to check their emails. मैं चाहूँ तो वो भी कर सकता हूँ. Then was the marketing part, which is creating curiosity and hype. Again, these are all organically done through social media posts, stories, reels, WhatsApp groups, communities, and Google My Business. And I showed what all I did. मैंने अपने वीडियोस डाले, मैंने पोस्ट डाले, अलग अलग पोस्ट बनाए. एवरी टाइम आई क्रिएटेड सम फोमो एंड सम अर्जेंसी, with all those benefits. And every time my call to action was get a lifetime access here because you need to build consistency. Then I talked about organically marketing it, right, before going into the paid ads. Again, the same platforms, and I showed one of multiple posts of mine where I promoted it in different ways. Then I launched it. Then I sold it with different, images and other things. In between came Holi. उसको भी मैंने Holi offer बना दिया. And every time I was, talking about it, like how many people have already enrolled, how many people I'm looking to. Then I extended it for 10 more people. And after extension, I said, okay, now this is the last and final call, so that I complete my 30 people and then do it. Then I started taking feedback. Once it was done, I started taking feedback. मैंने लोगों से पूछना शुरू किया. I got feedback. I started improving. And today also I'm asking to give me feedback. I took some feedback from people inside the community and I started doing it. And then is the next step of doing marketing inorganically through ads. Again, checking the profitability, ROS, and so on and so forth. Relaunching with different variations. Again, take feedback and improve it. And then market research for the next product. That's it. This was a wrap up of what we did, Kanchaji. Is there any question?
Yeah, so most of it I attended. Just the first part was a little thing, but thank you for recapping everything. Two more things that came to my mind while you were recapping.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, because my audience is in three different niches, actually.
Okay.
It's one niche, which is motherhood. So I was just thinking from the point of view कि like I start with preconception, then conception के time पे गर्भ संस्कार का रहता है, and postpartum में भी. So I was just thinking, since especially when you're talking about impact, trust, and in community, so something like this could be a nice in-between tool. If they don't want to do it again, it's of course the entire coaching changes, but something which they can do at their own pace, especially during postpartum. So do you think that makes sense? That because they've already done the program with me, now it is more of self-paced करना है, they know and they can come back to me ऐसे कुछ, या part guidance. So वो एक दिमाग में आया, या फिर for upgradation again, कि for them to know कि थोड़ा ये consume कर लो, then because इसमें of course the big point where we all function from is accountability. क्योंकि वो नहीं रहता है तो information is out there, ease of implementation, everything is there. So for them to also realize कि while ये सब है, accountability की भी जरूरत रहती है. Do you think it also comes from there?
Yeah. Yes, obviously it should be. And I'll tell you a recent example, मैं किसी काम से मैक्स हॉस्पिटल गया था यहाँ पे दिल्ली में. एंड यू विल बी सरप्राइज टू नो कि वहाँ पे एक प्रोग्राम था, बहुत बड़े बड़े बैनर्स, मतलब वो दीवार पे लगे हुए थे. यू नो व्हाट इट वाज लाइक, व्हेन समबडी हैज कंसीव्ड और प्लानिंग टू कंसीव, उनके लिए एक प्रोग्राम था. एंड दिस प्रोग्राम वाज फॉर ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर, मतलब प्री कंसेप्शन टू पोस्टपार्टम जो आपने बोला, उसके लिए आज के डेट में जो लाइफस्टाइल है लोगों का, मोस्टली पीपल आर इन न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज, सबके पास पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हैं. एंड लेडीज हु हैव कंसीव्ड, उनको अलग तरह के फिजिकल, मेंटल, साइकोलॉजिकल चीजेस आती है दिमाग में. एंड दे हैव नोबडी टू शेयर, क्योंकि हस्बैंड इज मोर और लेस वर्किंग, एंड उनका वो टेम्परामेंट नहीं होता, ऑल्दो दे वांट टू हेल्प द वाइफ्स, बट वो हो नहीं पाता. तो उनके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया था, एक प्रोग्राम बनाया था, एक कम्युनिटी उन्होंने बनाई थी, जिसमें ऑल दिस would be mothers were there, and there used to be one guide or a coach or maybe a doctor, and they were charging lakhs rupees. 4 लाख का प्रोग्राम था वो. I was surprised to see, अरे यार इस चीज के लिए लोग 4 लाख रुपए दे रहे हैं. And that was overly subscribed, I would say, overly subscribed in a place like Delhi.
Yeah, it is the need of the hour, and I am working on that, so I know the potential of it. You are right.
करेक्ट. तो आप भी क्या करो, एक कम्युनिटी बनाओ, ताकि वैसे लोगों को एक साथ लेके आ जाओ आप, और वहां पे बी देयर एज अ मेंटर, एज अ गाइड, ताकि आप उनसे कम्युनिकेट करते रहो. एक तो आपस में लोग भी वो आपस में कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, लाइक बर्ड्स ऑफ सेम फीदर फ्लॉक टुगेदर, सिंस दे आर ऑलमोस्ट द सेम, वो एक दूसरे से भी बात करेंगे. एंड यू ऑल्सो बी देयर इन बिटवीन टू गाइड देम, इन ऑर्डर टू, कि कहीं कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग अपने एक्सपीरियंस तो शेयर करते हैं, कुछ गलत भी हो जाता है. तो वहां पे देयर शुड बी वन मॉनिटरिंग. सो आप एक छोटा प्रोडक्ट बनाओ, गिव देम टू यूज इट एट योर ओन पेस, क्योंकि अगेन एवरी ह्यूमन बॉडी इज डिफरेंट. किसी को कुछ होता होगा, किसी को कुछ होता होगा. सो दैट दे स्टार्ट कंज्यूमिंग योर कंटेंट, एंड दे आर डेफिनेटली बेनिफिटिंग. तो वो आपका ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग में भी काम करेगा. एंड डेफिनेटली व्हेन not everything is gonna be happening through those smaller community, that definitely will come to you.
Yeah, got it. So it is also about building authority once.
Yes, exactly.
Also, you touched upon a good point, which was my second question. Ki if I'm not doing it in community, while I have people who already have trust in me as a doctor, but I want to do it majorly for mothers who might or might not know me,
Okay.
or as a maternal coach, especially. So, SMA, I am also part of certain communities where, I have, like you said, the birds of same feather are together.
Yeah.
उसमें अगर मुझे ऐसा कुछ लॉन्च करना है, so it is majorly for trust building more than
Correct.
ये. तो will the strategy again change?
You are talking about your community, or is it somebody
No,
else's
it is
group?
somebody else's community, but I
Okay.
have but it is expecting mothers and new moms. The
So what
community,
you have to do is you'll have to talk to the admin of that particular community,
right?
saying if you have a good rapport with them, you can take a
Yeah, that's
permission.
all okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
then
also.
it's fine. Then it's fine. Otherwise, people don't allow you to promote in some other's group.
No, that is okay. I'm asking what should my strategy be, SMA?
आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी लोगों से रिलेशनशिप बनाने में, यू जस्ट आस्क क्वेश्चंस, कुछ नहीं
Trust.
करना है.
Okay.
आस्क क्वेश्चंस, व्हाट आर यू फीलिंग, हाउ डू यू फील. और जब ऐसा फील होता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत एक रफ लैंग्वेज में बोलता हूँ, देयर आर लेडीज, उनको लगता है कि किसी को खट्टा खाने का मन करता है, किसी को तीखा खाने का मन करता है, किसी को आइसक्रीम खाने का मन करता है. नाउ इफ यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग इन देयर लैंग्वेज, see how many people are communicating, and that becomes your power anchor.
Got it. So what I can do is the research part you said. Now let us say application of because you're very practical and you've given the practical step. So say I have a community of 100 people, which is not my community. It is somebody else's, but I have a complete free hand over there. Okay. There I start my research. I can start my research. So that will also help me build rapport. They will see me again and again, just question. और उसके basis पे say I launch something really 2-3 guides भी चलो launch कर दिए और वहां पे पहले publish करके देख सकती हूँ. It could be even for a lesser price, not even say $100. तो मतलब just saying, तो थोड़ा trust भी build होगा. They will consume the content, maybe just 4 or 5, not so much. ऐसे कुछ करके, and then follow all your steps. Does that make sense for
Yeah,
this
definitely.
this thing? Yeah.
Exactly. मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि ये भी उन्हीं से पूछिए कि उनको क्या चाहिए.
हाँ, मतलब वैसे ही वो रिसर्च परफेक्ट मेक सेंस. तो मुझे वही वो ये सेंस में एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू, बिकॉज माय ऑडियंस इज वाइड एंड आई एम फंक्शनिंग मल्टीपली, आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेप्स आर क्लियर, लेकिन कैसे वो सब जगह फिट करना है. दैट्स द रीजन आई आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि अभी जो लोगों ने मेरे से प्रोग्राम ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, देयर द अप्रोच वुड चेंज.
करेक्ट.
राइट. सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ बेटर ऑडियंस, क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं है, उनको पता भी नहीं है मेरे बारे में, बट I already have them together also. So the audience is good. It's, yeah, makes sense. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving that extra information as well.
Always there. No issues.
I know. So I could ask you freely. Thank you.
Yes, most welcome every time. I'm already there in the group as well. आप वहाँ भी पूछोगे तो मैं ऐसे ही आंसर दूंगा. But it's better to talk face to face. वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
And many a times वो तभी क्लिक नहीं होता, जब भी मतलब अभी सेकंड टाइम में मैंने आपका पूरा स्ट्रेटेजी सुना, तभी मुझे ये क्लिक हुआ. जब मैं पहले सुन रही थी, आई वाज रजिस्टरिंग इन अ डिफरेंट वे, तो इसीलिए रिकैप में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए.
Okay, चलिए good. Anybody else has a question, or नहीं तो फिर I'll just take a feedback from Akansha ji, Rahul ji, Siddharth ji, if you can give me a feedback of this particular training. It's been an hour. Akansha ji will go with that. With you
Yes,
first.
okay. I'll continue.
Yeah.
Yes. So as usual, it was very practical. I could मतलब अभी वैसे तो ये as a coach ये देखा था, आप जैसे जैसे WhatsApp में कर रहे थे वो mentally unconsciously वो register होता है कि अच्छा ये steps है, लेकिन फिर भी जो specific आप सिखाते वक्त जो guidance आता है ना, that was really helpful, जो मैंने आपसे share भी किया. And ऐसा नहीं है कि बस ये structure निकाल के ये कैटेगरी में डाल दो तो इट फिट्स, कुछ ना ट्वीक्स करने पड़ते हैं. तो एंड द बिगेस्ट टेक अवे फॉर मी वाज डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ लीड मैग्नेट और ये जो आपने किया क्योंकि बिकॉज द होल पॉइंट इज मनी वर्सेस ट्रस्ट एंड इम्पैक्ट, एंड इंटेंट की वजह से मतलब इट कैन लुक वेरी सिमिलर, बट इट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट, क्योंकि इंटेंट और गोल कंप्लीट अलग है. सो मेरे लिए वो सबसे बड़ा टेक अवे था कि लीड मैग्नेट वर्सेस अ लो टिकट प्रोडक्ट किस लिए कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, और कैसे अलग अलग टाइप से भी कर सकते हो, जो आपने बताया, ऑर्गेनिकली इनऑर्गेनिकली. सो दोज वर द बिगेस्ट टेकअवेज फॉर मी.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome. Rahul ji, you want to share something? Any feedback, Rahul ji, of this particular training? Rahul ji, are you there? Siddharth ji, are you there? Dhanush ji, are you there?
I am here, Alokji, but lots of sounds are coming from behind, so I can't
Okay.
speak much.
No problem. So we are done. I'm done with it. I'm looking forward to many more success stories from all you guys. मैं यही बोलूँगा. Done? Anything else? Or else we'll close the call now. I'm really thankful for all of your time. Thank you, Akanksha ji. Thank you, Siddharth ji. Thank you, Rahul ji. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you, Dhanush ji. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to more and more questions and more feedbacks, and let's make it big, right? Ciao. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.